guys. Oh, hi, it's me, Emma, and today we're gonna be learning how to make chicken in a basket. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna need a cutting board, as you can see here, and then a piece of bread, obviously, and then you're gonna need some of butter, and then you're gonna open the lid, and then you're gonna take a butter knife and scoop out some butter, and then put it on the piece of bread like that. Not gonna flip it just yet.
Gold.
Okay.
That is butter in the bread is horrible.
Okay, so butter the board here. Wait. So while he's doing that, and then you're gonna butter the other side. While he's doing that, you're gonna put a pan on the stove. Warm it up first. On medium. And then so here's the piece of bread all buttered up. So then you're gonna take this mug that's a perfect circle, or you can take a cookie cutter. But what you're gonna do is take it and put it like that, and then twist.
Hold the bread down.
Okay.
Push it apart, and then you don't shake it out. You do this.
And take it out, and then put it in the pan we have cooking. Here we go. And then you're gonna put this in the pan beside it. And then we're gonna take an egg and crack it first in the pan and put it in circle. Okay, and then you're gonna get in there, and then you're gonna put some pepper. There we go.
You don't have to do as much.
Put some salt, and then just wait. And then get ready with your flipping knife thingamajiggy. This is not a spatula. Oh, it's a spatula. So we're gonna take the piece of bread. I'm gonna flip this one first. Oh, not ready? Okay. So the next step is you're gonna take your spatula, your handy dandy spatula, and barely flip it over. See if it's not buttery. And if it's still buttery and it looks kind of pale, so keep cooking it. Check this. Be careful with this one because you don't want to spill the egg. I want this flip. Nah, not yet. Okay, this is kind of sticking because of the egg in the middle, so you gotta like get it in there. Perfect, just like that. And then you're gonna take your small little one, check it again. And that's ready. Perfect. Separate that. And then you're just gonna wait until it's cooked. Oh, and always get parental supervision, if I'm saying that correct. when you do this, because you don't want to put your finger at the stove. It's pretty hot. So the next step is for you to get a plate. And then just get it ready. Just seeing if it's clean. And then you gotta wait a few more minutes until it's cooked. So, okay, and let's flip it onto the plate. And then the little small little circle you can dip it in. And then the next thing you do is turn off the stove. And then you get a fork and even if you don't like eggs,